Kate and welcome to today's video. I am trying to film with as much natural light as possible and I feel like it's already shifting. So I'm gonna go ahead and go quick, but clearly I just got home from work, threw up the hair, put on the pajamas, and I saw that I have my Bibbidi Bobbidi Brooke box and I was like, you know what? I'm not the only one that rocks the PJ Messy Bun life after work, and I figured y'all could do it too. So pause this video, go get in something comfortable, throw up your hair, and we're gonna unbox this together because I am so excited. I'll wait for you to pause and go get ready. You good? Awesome. Okay, I'm so excited. So looking at the box, I kind of showed you guys already. It's pink and has all kinds of really sweet icons all over it, like coffee cups, her signature ear logo, things like that. I felt like I already kind of pre-opened the tape, but I'm wondering if I did it wrong because it still looks like it's going to be difficult to open. Maybe it's because I'm not strong. Definitely could be that. No, I feel like I definitely didn't cut the tape all the way. Well, I am not stopping to cut it open. We're going to just work with it, okay? Yeah, I don't think that that's the way that it's supposed to open, but I'm breaking the rules over here already with not being the cute Disney t-shirt and ears. So we're just gonna continue to break the rules. So this is what was inside. There were also these things that were supposed to be in the tissue paper, but they fell out when I pulled it out of the box. So opening up the tissue paper. Okay, the first thing I am seeing is this precious pink glitter Mickey ear headband pin with a purple glitter polka dot bow. Why is this everything? Why do I love this so much? I feel like I need to put this on my shirt and wear it for the rest of the video. This is stunning. If this is an indication of what everything is going to be like in here, I am pumped. Next thing I am seeing again is a matching keychain, and this is perfect because you guys, I had a Harry Potter theme going on my keychains. I know, right? I'm such a Disney girl, but I'm also a huge Potter nerd. I believe the term is actually Potterhead, but I don't like that nickname. Potter nerd, and I had a whole Harry Potter theme going on. I'll get it later. But my keychains are breaking, and I don't feel like I'm rough with my things, but they're just kind of coming apart. So I'm going to take all of those off and immediately put this on. Oh, good. The light's coming back a little bit. Next thing I see is a thank you. It says, "You are amazing. Thank you. I am so excited for you to receive your Bibbidi Bobbidi box. This project has been a dream of mine for many years, and it's so humbling and inspiring to have the support to make my dreams a reality. This box is full of items made and designed with care and love. Whether this is your first BBB purchase or you're coming back for more magic, I hope you love it, enjoy it, and that it brings you so much happiness. Thank you again for your love, excitement, and support. Stay tuned for lots more magic. Love, BBB. Don't forget to tag me." Could she be any cuter against this bubblegum wall? I cannot. Brooke, you're adorable. I love that you are chasing your dreams. She's also a fellow Run Disney runner. She's running, I believe, her 6th fairy tale challenge this year. I am running my 3rd princess half or 4th. I'm trying to like count my medals up there for the princess. I think this will be my 3rd princess half. So I like, good for her. That's awesome. You guys, who is texting me? You guys. Hi. I'm talking really high because I'm really excited. These are stunning. I'm like actually speechless. Oh my God. I am legitimately freaking out. Contain yourself, Kaitlyn. Contain it. Eli! My dog is like, what is wrong with you? Are these not the cutest Mickey ears you've ever seen? I love you. Oh my God, I love these. And are you gonna take my package? It came with a matching scrunchie, which I cannot. I'm gonna put this in my bag and have it, just because there are times when your hair is down, you want to throw it up. I love that it's cloth. I feel like that's not going to leave indents in my hair. And then she also put in a matching koozie. Guys, I carry around my Betangled koozies all the time, so I love that I'm gonna be able to have something different in my rotation. I am so happy that I got this box for myself. I am floored with everything in here. I believe she's taking pre-orders for her next box at the end of this month, so I will absolutely be purchasing that one as well. I bought this one back in December and it came, you know, it's February, just in time for the princess half, but the quality is stunning and you can be sure I will be purchasing her next one. I'm just gonna continue to stare at myself in the mirror and stare at these ears, so I'm gonna go do that, and I'm gonna let my puppy have at this tissue paper because he is getting all up in it. But if you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my Disney videos that I upload. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and please check out Bibbidi Bobbidi Brooke. I'm gonna leave all of her links down below. This is what it's like working with a 5-month-old puppy, everybody. I'm gonna leave all of her links down below so you can go support her and check her out. This stuff is amazing. Eli wants it too. He's trying to take them off my head so he can wear them. Can I put the scrunchie on you? Do you think I could like scrunchie up your ears like a ponytail? No, probably not, huh? We're gonna go. I'm gonna get this guy. You wanna go on a walk? I don't think he knows what it means yet because he doesn't freak out yet. But I'm gonna take him out for a walk. That means I gotta get dressed. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Say bye, Eli. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. He's like, whatever, Mom.